Listen, I did post up the PDF for the Passion of the Christ series that we're doing, and I put up a little blurb on the chat as well. But I thought for those who are like, oh, look, I want to see this visually. How does this look? Talk me through it. So I thought I'd put this real quick video together and talk you through. So this is the PDF, Passion of the Christ. And on the first page, you will see a suggested approach to each day for your uptime. Get alone, get silent, read the scripture reference, reflect on the questions that are underneath the scripture reference, and write your thoughts and answers. And then to wrap up, ask yourself the question, what is God saying to me today? And give an answer to that. And remember, take some time to pray. I mean, we really need prayer right now. State governments are thinking about increasing lockdown, etc. Federal government are thinking about being more draconian in their approach to lockdown. So it's getting really crazy and hectic, and anxiety is increasing. So prayer is really important at this time. Think about taking time to breathe deeply, apply what Persia was teaching us yesterday around increasing our health mentally and physically, etc. So each page of the PDF represents a week, and today begins the first week, and we've taken the big bits of Jesus' Passion Week, the big stories of Jesus' Passion Week, and put them into 5-week segments. And this week is March 22 to 27, and each week is broken down into 6 days. Day 1 is about reading the entire big story and reflecting on it, and then getting some context for it by working through, thinking through, and answering the context questions as listed there. Day 2 to day 5, we then read smaller bits of that bigger story in the story of Jesus' Passion Week, along with maybe other passages of Scripture. And there's only questions listed for each day. There's nothing else, just questions, because the idea is to help you just think through and dig deep and research and reflect on and find answers for yourself, and essentially study the scripture for yourself and learn in that space. And then day 6 is really about going back to big picture. What have you learned about God, about Jesus, about our world, about humanity, about developing your worldview based on the Passion Week and what it teaches us about Jesus' love for us, God's love for us. Hey, listen, if you've got questions, feel free to post them up. You can contact me privately if you want to. If you've got questions around your learning and the stuff you're discovering, please post that as well. Let's learn together. Let's be a learning community, especially as we are not physically meeting. We will keep you informed as things grow and change over the next few hours, few days, with regard to our regional gatherings each Sabbath. We will try and post up something every day, to keep you updated just with church, etc. So love to you all, blessings to you all, and be safe. Keep practicing and applying what Persia encouraged us with, and blessings as you be and as you do and as you go and as we learn together around the Passion of the Christ. All right, take care. Bye-bye.